That's from
wait,
Grandma.
Let me show you. Wait, happy birthday, Kyla. We love you, Grandma and Grandpa. Ooh, what's this?
What's that?
A bear.
Oh,
Can I see? It's pig.
it's a Paddington.
Wanted on voyage. What's this?
What else is in that paper?
He's trying to...
It's the Paddington bear.
Is that Paddington or Paddington?
Paddington.
Paddington bear? Kaka. Kaka. There you go. Whoa, what's that?
The Paddington book.
What's that, Kaka?
Paddington book.
Ooh, now you gotta learn how to read, huh?
Yeah.
What do you say to Grandma and Grandpa?